And we're gonna be making these balls. You got your walnut, pistachio, cardamom, coconut flakes, tahini, and dates. I go ahead and blend all your nuts. And you're gonna be blending them with the dates section at a time, not all together, or not the dates all alone. Because if you do, the dates will become something like this, which is impossible to blend with anything else. Basically, this is the texture you're gonna get if you blend them right, and you're gonna just work them together, mix them up, and then you're gonna end with some like this. It's very gooey, thick, and you're gonna make balls out of them, throw them in coconut flakes, and you got this absolute gas. Just don't eat too many, I warn you.